In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Help Me Write button in Gmail. This feature can be a real game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time crafting emails. It provides support in creating the content of your emails, making the experience more efficient and enjoyable. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to ensure you are signed into your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once there, make sure you're logged in with the account where you want to enable this feature. If you're not, go ahead and enter your credentials and click Sign In. Next, let's go through the process of finding and enabling the Help Me Write feature. You need to go into the Settings menu in Gmail. To do this, look in the upper right corner of your Gmail homepage. There, you'll notice a gear icon. Clicking on this will open the Quick Settings menu. From here, you will want to click on See All Settings to access the full settings menu. Once you're in the settings, switch to the General tab if it is not already open. Scroll down in the General Settings tab until you find the option labeled Smart Compose. This is where you'll be able to enable the Help Me Write feature. Make sure the box next to Smart Compose is checked. This allows Gmail to provide suggestions as you type, using machine learning algorithms to predict your writing patterns and suggest completions. If you want even more advanced assistance, look for the personalization option within this section. When you enable personalization, Gmail will tailor suggestions based on your specific writing style. If you feel comfortable with Google utilizing these techniques, go ahead and click the checkbox to enable it. After making these adjustments, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial as it applies your new settings and ensures that Help Me Write is activated in your Gmail account. With these settings configured, you'll notice that as you start composing a new email, Gmail will offer suggestions and sentence completions. These appear as you type. You can choose to accept, ignore, or modify these suggestions depending on your needs. It's a simple but effective tool to help streamline your email writing process. That's it. You've successfully enabled the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. Enjoy this new tool to help make your email writing faster and more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks in enhancing your online productivity. Thanks for watching.